what's up everyone? It's David here. I've got a box, but not just any box, but obviously you know, based on the title above, what's inside. The YouTube Clapperboard. That's right. So let's just get this opened up. They say the pen is mightier than the sword, but you do need the sword in order to open the box that contains the pen. If that makes any sense. Okay, so we got nice YouTube logo on the box. It's all nice and white. Let's take it out of the postal box. See here, there we go. Put it on the table. Behind's just plain white. Not really much to it on the back. Now these are part of YouTube perks, so you only get these if you're a YouTube partner, or unless you bought one off of eBay. Okay, so we got their partner perks. And a shiny card. Lights, camera, action. You scored a limited edition YouTube Clapperboard made just for the valued partners like you. This is a kind of item or special thank you for all your hard work and creativity. We'd love to see your new Clapperboard in your next video. Show us magic, the bumpers, I'm going to call them blunders, and everything in between. Don't forget to tag at YouTube creators, hashtag YouTube perks, so you can check it out. Coolio. And that's just the languages here, the information of the future reference, clapperboard, dry wipe, pen set, material, acrylic, wood, metal, barcode, YouTube. Okay, manufactured by TLC Premiums. Okay, made in China. That's something else. So we got here the nice clapperboard, and we've got the pen that's got the YouTube logo on. You can see there. So they've gone through the hassle of putting their name on the pen. Quite nice of them. Okay, and now the actual clapperboard itself. The thing that we've been waiting for this whole entire time. I'd like to mention that I applied for this 4 weeks ago, so it's taken 4 weeks for it to arrive. Even though it said it would be by the end of August, and I'm now in the middle of September. Well, camera, action. Take 2000, because you screwed it up. So got a magnet on it. So you write your channel name, and then the take, the date, and the video. You have to keep updating that take part. Plain on the back. Nothing written there at all. So you use these in the movie industry in order to basically for the editors to know what scene it was, to match the sound and music to it. Okay, so yeah, that's really all to it. Really, that's what you got. So back in the box now, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and like always, see you out there.